Okay, next step is lowering the jacks, and we're going to need this tool that sits inside the driver's side front compartment. It has this end on it, and that's what we're going to use. Okay, before you lower your leveling jack, you need to get one of the blocks out of the stack. You're going to take the tool, and it fits right here. Make sure it's pushed all the way in. Then we're going to lower it down by turning it to the right, clockwise. You may have to readjust your block to get it to fit nicely underneath this foot. What I'm looking for are these two pieces to be under this. Once your jacks are down on the blocks, these are not made to lift the camper and hold a lot of weight, so you just want to snug them down slightly. It's going to push that block down into the grass some, but you just want to get them nice and snug, and that's about it. You do not want to lift the camper with these. They will bend and they will break. Once you have all four corners down, you should be good to go, and the camper should be fairly stable inside. You are still living on tires and axles, so you are going to feel some movement. Another thing to note, you may want to go out the next day and retighten all of these, because they're going to settle overnight if you're not on concrete. If you're on concrete, you probably don't have to worry about that. All right, now jump to the next step where we lower the steps.